Hi, welcome to Toufee. In this short demo, you'll learn why Toufee is the easiest and fastest way to create flash movies for your website and YouTube. So let's get started. What you see here is the Toufee's Movie Maker. Now I know what you may be thinking, that this looks like a desktop app, but here's what's interesting. Toufee is a fully online app that runs right inside your browser, and like your email inbox, can be accessed from anywhere. Anyway, so these buttons here on the right, they contain things like photos, videos, text, buttons that you need to make a flash movie. Your Toufee account comes bundled with 5 gigabytes of royalty-free multimedia that you can use in your flash movies. And of course, you can upload your own photos and videos using this upload button here. Finally, this big rectangle here, this is where you drag your stuff to place it inside your flash movie, just as I'm about to show you. So our first step is to upload some pictures that we will use in our flash movie. You can either use Toufee's inbuilt photo search to find some photos, or upload your own, just like I'm doing here. All you need to do now is just drag these images to the stage and arrange them. You can even resize or rotate them as needed. You can also use these photos as movie backgrounds. To do so, just drag your photo or video to the bottom here, like this, and now this photo will appear throughout your movie as wallpaper. Just like photos, you can just as easily drop text, videos, buttons, and other stuff in your flash movies. To do that, first click on the type of item you want to add. Let's say text. Then drag an item you like onto the stage. For my movie, I've used simple vanilla text, but if that's not your style, you can also go for animations or gradients. Once the text formatting is fixed, just click the play button here to preview your flash movie so far. Well, before you know it, your flash movie is already halfway through. Pretty easy, isn't it? Here is how it gets even better. Did you notice the effects and transitions in your flash movie? Flash movies are all about style, and that's what you get with Toufee. Traditionally, to create even the simplest of animations and effects in Flash, programmers have to write thousands of lines of programming code, but that's the old way of doing it. The new way is Toufee, where the same can be done with a few mouse clicks, and all that programming effort has been reduced to selecting an item and applying a preset to it like this. It really can't get any easier than that. With Toufee's flash effects, even simple inanimate objects can spring to life. Take this photo for example. Just a click of a mouse, you can instantly apply many different presets and completely transform it. Similar to slideshows, your flash movies can have multiple frames too. Clicking a blank frame at the bottom adds a new frame to your flash movie. Now you can add even more elements, like a button that you can link to your website, or a video that showcases your product, and everything in Toufee can have a number of cool effects applied to it, just like we did to the photo above. Also, to complement your style, you can always add a little music to your movies. For that, you can choose your own background sound or use one of our tracks. Well, those pretty much wrap up the basics. To keep this demo short, I've skipped some details here, but don't worry, because inside your members area, there are detailed video tutorials that explain everything. Plus, inside the samples link on our homepage, there are actual screen recordings to show you how easy it is to create extremely professional flash movies with Toufee in minutes. So do check that out. Well, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get started right away.